Hey guys, I'm Aaron from Low and Slow Basics, but today we're going to be cooking something hot and fast. I've picked up this awesome Wagyu porterhouse from our local Drakes. We're going to keep it simple and only season it with some salt and pepper because we want to taste the beautiful richness of this quality steak. So we're going to do it slightly differently to how you might cook a steak at home, but I can guarantee you this is going to come out awesome. So we've let the steak come up to room temperature. We're going to do it on the Acorn Junior. We're going to be using the flat side of some grill grates, and we're going to get the grate temperature up to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use any heat source you want. You can use a different hot plate, cast iron pan, directly over charcoal, whatever you want to do. But we're going to be flipping it every 30 seconds until we get an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to rest it for 10 minutes before we slice and serve. So first, we'll render some of that fat down on the hot plate and we'll cook the steak on that. And then you can set your timer and get into it. Alright, we are done. This just looks and smells amazing. I think it's going to be time for a taste. Have a look at that. Wow. That is just... I'm speechless. That's incredible. You can see the beautiful crust that we formed on the outside of the steak. Gives it another level of texture. Just cooked so well. You want to cook it about medium to medium rare. Any less than that and the fat doesn't really render down with all that marbling going on in the Wagyu steak. That is one of the best steaks I've ever had. It's so tender, real nice rich beefy flavour, and all it needs is salt and pepper really. It's just so good, so I'm going to go get stuck into the rest of this, so cheers for watching.